Hello, everybody. So today, it was raining outside, and my boss told me to stay home because she's afraid that I might slip again and make my injury worse. So she told me to take a day off and just relax. And I feel so grateful that I have a boss who is a woman, because I feel like women are more considerate and they're just nicer. So what did I do today? Today I watched some stand-up comedy shows on YouTube again, which has pretty much become my daily routine. And also I've been working remotely actually. So I have sent some catalogs and quotations to one of my potential customers. And this is something very interesting. Let me show you guys. So this customer told me to send some samples of all our mirrors and glass products made from glass. Please listen to me. Don't ever tell your Chinese supplier to send you the samples of all the latest products, because you have no idea the scale of the products a Chinese supplier can manufacture. Just to give you guys a few simple examples. This is just, let me show you one of the catalogs of this company that I'm working for right now. There's like hundreds and hundreds of pages of products. How could you possibly send samples of all of these products? And another example, so this client is looking for some mirrors. This is just one of the catalogs of the mirrors that we have. There's like so many of them. How can I possibly send samples of all of these products to him? And also, he was also looking for some products made from glass. These are like the glass bricks that we have. So please, don't ever tell your Chinese suppliers to send a sample of everything they have. It's better that you come to China and visit the factory or the supplier's factories yourself. And you will be amazed by the scale of production here in China. So yeah. And what am I gonna do right now? I think that's it for now, but I'll talk about something later.